Hello guys, I'm Arvind and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to discuss Streamlit. So let's first discuss what Streamlit is. So Streamlit is an open source Python framework designed for data scientists and AI/ML engineers. It is used to create dynamic data applications with just a few lines of code, and we can build and deploy robust data apps in just a few minutes. So let's go ahead and we'll discuss today's agenda. So here, first of all, we need to install virtual environment. Then we are going to activate that virtual environment. Then we need to install Streamlit app. Then we will see how can we run this Streamlit app. So guys, let's go ahead, and I'm going to create one folder or directory, and the folder name is web app. Then I'm going to actually create a virtual environment. So to create that virtual environment, I have to open this command prompt, and I'm going to, first of all, I'm going to install this virtual environment by using this command. So pip install virtual env. So it is also available in my system, so that's why I'm getting this message. Then I have to create a virtual environment. So the command would be virtual env, and then we need to mention the virtual environment name, and here I am giving venv. It is the name of my virtual environment. So I have actually created one virtual environment. Now we need to activate this virtual environment. So I am going to write this name of virtual environment, then I am going to write this scripts and then activate. So as you can see here, venv is coming in these parentheses, so it means this virtual environment venv has been activated. Now what we need to do, let's clear up this console. Now I'm going to install Streamlit app first. So pip install Streamlit. So it is actually installing all the required libraries or modules, so it will take time depending upon your internet speed. So we have installed this. Now I'm going to open Visual Studio Code here. So I'm going to write code and dot. So it will open up my Visual Studio Code in this folder web app, and we are getting this folder venv because we have created this virtual environment. Now I have to create one file, main.py, and we can do one more thing if you want to check whether this Streamlit application has been installed or not. So let's open terminal. And here we can actually use Streamlit hello. So as you can see here, by this command we can check this built-in the app here on this Streamlit, but I'm not going to use that. We are actually getting this information here like this, so I'm not going to use that. So what we can do here, we can actually create one more file here, main.py, and here let's first import Streamlit here, and this is the renaming concept. We are actually importing this Streamlit with renaming as st, and now I'm going to use this title function here, and I'm going to use my Streamlit app. So let's save it, and we can do one more thing. Let's close this server. and I'm going to execute this file here. So what would be the command? Command would be let's clear up this. Now I'm going to write a streamlit run, and we need to mention the file name, and that is main.py. So if you hit enter, it will open up your browser, and basically now it is actually executing main.py, and as you can see here, this is the output. So I hope you understood, guys. Now after executing this code, and as you can see here, our virtual environment is running. After actually doing all the coding and getting all the results, what we can do, we need to actually stop or deactivate this virtual environment. So how can we actually do this? So we need to write this activate and hit enter. Now as you can see here, we have deactivated this virtual environment venv. So this is a total process or complete process here, guys. So I hope you understood this concept and you have learned something today, and thank you so much guys for watching this video, and hope you liked it. Thank you so much guys.